Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Do not attempt to fabricate or fill an oxygen cylinder at home. This narration explains why, without giving construction steps. Medical oxygen cylinders are commonly filled to 200 bar, 3000 psi, creating extreme stored energy that can rupture a weak vessel. Pure oxygen supports rapid combustion. Oils, greases, or organic residues in or on a container can ignite spontaneously when exposed to high-pressure oxygen. Manufacturing, modifying, or filling cylinders without proper certification is illegal in many jurisdictions and risks catastrophic injury, prosecution, or death. To obtain oxygen safely, buy ready-made cylinders and services from certified medical gas suppliers instead of attempting to build equipment. Choose cylinders built and labeled for oxygen service, typically rated to 200 bar, 3000 psi, and supplied with manufacturer documentation and a hydrostatic test date. Use a regulator specified for medical oxygen and a traceable chain of custody from supplier to patient. Arrange training or assistance from a licensed respiratory therapist, certified technician, or accredited supplier for correct flow settings, connectors, and safe delivery. Safe handling focuses on storage, inspection, and correct accessories rather than home construction. Store cylinders upright, secured to a fixed structure or cart, in a ventilated area between 15 and 25 degrees C and away from heat, open flames, and combustible materials. Inspect labels, hydrostatic test dates, valves, and regulator connections before each use. Do not use cylinders with dents, corrosion, or missing test dates. Use regulators rated for medical oxygen and follow clinician instructions for flow rates, typically between 0.5 and 15 L/min, and schedule professional recertification or hydrostatic testing as required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.